What's up guys, it's Eva. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm on my phone right now because I forgot to record an intro, so this is me editing. But basically today's video, as you can see by the title of this video, is going to be a tutorial on this hairstyle. It's just like a normal braid in the back but with two braids, and I used braiding hair to do this. Hold on, let me turn around. So this hairstyle was inspired by a girl I saw on TikTok. I'll put her at right here, and then I'll put the video right here. But yeah, credits to her for the hairstyle. I don't know if she came up with it, but that's where I got the inspiration from. But anyways, let's just get right on with this tutorial. Okay, so first I'm gonna just start by fixing my part and just putting it back into a little slick ponytail in the back. And don't mind my hair right now, I don't know if y'all can see, but I have like gel flakes in there because from another ponytail that I did, but I took that out and I haven't washed it yet. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna just part it and then put it into a little ponytail in the back. Okay, so I did the ponytail, and now I never did this style before. I've done a normal braid, but I never done two braids. So I just have this little ponytail that I made with braiding hair. It doesn't really match my hair because my red has faded out. If you didn't know, I dyed my hair red, but it's like fading because it's temporary. But anyways, I'm just gonna put this on to the back of my ponytail just like a normal ponytail. So now you can see this is my real ponytail and then the braiding hair on the back. So I guess I'll just split my hair in two parts since it's going to be two braids. So like this. And then I'll do the same thing for the braiding hair. Okay, so first I'm gonna just start off doing this one. So So first, as you would a normal braid, just part this section into 3 parts. And then I'm just gonna put a teeny tiny bit of gel, like just around one small part, just to keep this section like in place. Like that. And then move this to the side. Well, I guess. And then we'll do the same thing for my natural hair. Make 3 sections. And then put a little bit of gel to hold the sections together. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a piece of braiding hair and match it up. Oops. With the section. And then I'll take the middle piece, match it up with the middle piece section right here. And then the side piece right here. So now I'm just gonna start to braid like a normal braid, but try to get it as close to the ponytail as you can. And then just start braiding like a normal braid. Braids thicker, you can add more braiding hair, but I'm just using this one ponytail because I don't feel like making a whole nother ponytail that's like with more hair. So I would recommend making it bigger just so it looks better and not like a small skinny braid. Almost done with this braid. I just have that much left. I'm gonna move on to the next braid, and then once I'm like about the same length with both, I will finish the ends. So it's gonna be the same process. So you're gonna split it into 3. And then take some gel to separate the parts. Move that to the side. Start braiding. them to the end, so I'm gonna go off camera and finish these braids, and then I'm gonna do my edges and stuff, and then fix these little things, and I'll see y'all after I get that done. So okay, hey guys, so I did my edges, and then these little pieces right here, I'm just gonna leave them straight, but I just did like a little small like swoop thing. And so on the back I did like a little like wrap or whatever, just to hide the ponytail. And yeah, and I finished the ends too, so I'm about to take some pictures with it, and you'll have already seen those in the thumbnail. But then after this, like I said in the intro, I'm gonna do a little haul because I did a little shopping with my mom or whatever. It's not a lot, but it's still some stuff. And if you're not interested in that, then just click off because this is the end of the terrace tutorial. But yeah, let's just get right on with the haul now. Okay, so this is not going to be a big like haul or whatever. Me and my mom just went to a couple stores. We went to like Walmart, Target, probably a little Bed Bath & Beyond, and Dollar Tree. But so first, I'm going to start with the stuff. We went to Dollar Tree. So first I got this phone case, just a clear one because I need a new one. I didn't really want a clear one. I wanted like a white one or a plain colored one, but yeah, they never have freaking phone cases for iPhone XR, which is, it pisses me off. But I'm gonna put this on because I need to put it on for my phone. My phone case that I have on right now is crusty and old, and the thing I hate about clear cases is that the sides turn like brown once you use them for a while because of like the dirt and stuff. See the difference? My phone's red, so you might not see, but it's like brown compared to that. This is it after. Much better. I need a new phone. My phone's like so slow now. Okay, so I got that. Next is I got this cheap little perfume. It's not opened yet, but it smells good. It was $5, so it smells good. It's called Paris Lights. But I mean, it was cheap and it smelled good. So, and then next I got this Slim Jim monster size, and it's Tabasco seasoned. So oh yeah, one more thing from Five Below. Hold on. So y'all really should get this because, okay, so I have like a full-length mirror. Don't mind my room, it's really messy, but I have a full-length mirror. So this thing, it's just this, not these two. These are extra and these don't work. But this thing, it was $5 from Dollar Tree, and it has like little suctions on the back. So I just put this on my mirror because there's like no source of light except for this window, and it looks really weird because when it's light outside, the light's only coming from this side and not over here. So it just suctions like really good. I don't know why it's wobbly, but yeah, it does suction really good, and it requires 4 AA batteries. And yeah, so if y'all have these at your Dollar Tree, I really recommend it. I'll show y'all what it looks like. Oop, my camera just fell. I'll show y'all what it looks like without like my actual light on. So this is what it looks like in the dark. It's not gonna be too bright, but I think it looks good if you're just not having, if you're just like taking pictures with like not, if you're just like taking pictures or whatever in the dark or whatever. But yeah, that's it from Dollar Tree. Okay, well, the light's off now and I'm not turning it back on. But then from Walmart, I just got this rug because I need a new rug because mine is like a tanned color and it's just very old and dirty. But this one's more fluffy and it's black, so it won't get as dirty. Oh, and this is the packaging that the little light thing came from. Okay, next we went to this little crystal shop. I got this little raw fluorite. That's what it looks like. That's how big it is. And yeah. Okay, yeah, that's the only thing we got from Target is these. I got 3 bags. But if y'all like the normal veggie straws, y'all gotta try these Flamin' Hot ones. They're so good. I'm not promoted by them, but y'all, it's really good. If you like spicy chips, and especially if you like the veggie straws. Okay, last thing. No, not last thing. I just got this little baby oil gel just for like to put on my legs after I go in the shower and like after I shave my legs and stuff. And it's shea and cocoa butter oil flavored. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I just got 2 packs of these batteries just so for my light, those lights I showed you on the mirror, cause yeah. And then I got 5 more Slim Jims from Dollar Tree, and those batteries from Dollar Tree too. But yeah, that was it for the haul. And there's my hair. Okay, bye. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment and I'll answer. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.